Yeah, I do. Did you?
Yeah. Since everything free up, man.
Look, no one's got a mask.
Yeah.
You're not bothering you.
Before I go on Virtuous Nation, you don't know over there. Literally in at the airport now. We have to rush for some things. Never really reach on time from the gate now. You don't know Seat Boss is in the building. And Muffin is in the building as well. You see it there?
Okay, the gate airport's not even out yet. It's late.
Yeah.
So the gate should be shut at 12:50.
Yeah, so right now we're there at the flight delay. So you want to get something to eat in the meantime?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, so forward, we'll get something to eat in the meantime. Seat Boss is in the building.
I just need.
And Muffin is in the
Catch my
building
breath,
looking
like.
cute as always. Oh my god. We had to rush and the queue was like super long, all them kind of things. Anyway, we'll grab something for go eat and then we'll forward back.
I don't know what to say.
It's alright. So we're there right now, we're both for go board. We know so we can system they are sweat and thing, but that's how it goes. That's the least. Anyway, we're there now, we just grab some food and thing. We know we're going to consume that on the flight. I don't know, so yeah, we'll just kick back and easy in the meantime. So we'll journey back in time and jump on the plane and thing from there. So you see me, people?
Hit the bag.
Yeah.
Was it same thing?
Yeah. So your Virtuous Nation, you don't know we're on the plane right now. You know what I mean?
Finally.
Alright.
It's been a very, very.
I'm gone already. Would even wait. But so I said still anyway. But yeah, we just see how everything will go. I don't know, 9.5 hours. Anyway, so with all link on back in time, we'll take off on them kind of flex. You see me? Just touched down like NASA. Yes, Virtuous Nation, I don't know, so we just touched down in a place right now. The Z, they don't know, Muffin is there. Seat Boss is there. Well on. Can't blame him. You know what I mean? But yeah, just so you think that what I'm gonna know, I'm gonna start out, get what we need to get, and then I'm gonna journey back with you. You see me? Yo, Virtuous Nation, wagwan. You don't know, the Virtuous man there. And we on the island, you don't know, Muffin in the building. You don't know, find there. Siege Boss is in the building. Man a beating wife beater, and in short, is it. That's how the thing go. But yeah man, you don't know, it's our first day. Our first morning, you know what I mean? And thing. Yesterday was mad because the plane delay, all kind of things. We did a rush for the gate, all kind of things. But so I think set still is it. Yeah man, hope everybody good and thing. Otherwise, you know what I mean, big up on a nice clean self. When you don't know the thing, set Siege, mind yourself, you know. You know what I mean? When rainfall, water run through, yes, you know, Muffin. Yeah. Is it? I'll do a look walk around. Come on.
Don't fool.
Come that way here.
CJ, bye. Bye, Siege. Bye. We're going
Come.
this way.
I don't know where I go. See him there? I don't know if you can't see him. See him there? Is it? Hey, what's his neck? I like his chain that box. But yeah, Virtuous TV, you don't know over there. Siege Boss are doing things. We just take a look walk around in that area. See what I go on, you know what I mean? Just stretch your legs, get some fresh air and thing as always, you know what I mean? Really excited to be here, you know what I mean? Muffin, you have anything to say?
I'm just so hot.
What is it?
The heat literally just knocks me out. But it's good.
No,
Vitamin D.
Trust me.
Vitamin D.
Early morning flex. Place just nice and thing. I'm gonna preview how we're deal with it. Is it?
You should be careful.
Come on. I'm tapping a shit too, you know. Is it? Yeah man, so this is here where we live, you know what I mean? You can see greenery. Nice place, very quiet. Early Sunday morning. You know what I mean? I would just take a look at stroll out. Is it? So I think set. You know what I mean, people? That's how I deal with it. Now, we in the place, we in the building. We don't know the thing set already. Come on. Right now, we just get up, you know what I mean? But yeah, so what we're going to do now, just take a look, walk around that area, kick back easy, relax, you know what I mean? That's why we're here. We work hard, so we deserve it. You see me? Yeah. You don't know. Muffin and Siege Boss is there. I'm going to live them best life. You know? So it being set. Come. Yeah, see his son just a get up there. Yeah man, his son just a forward, you know. It's a different vibe, it's a different experience for him. You can really imagine, you know what I mean? Especially with the sun all have pale in his face right now. But that's how things set. But yeah man, otherwise no, we're really excited to be here. It's been a while. You know what I mean, with all our going in our world and thing. I don't know the thing said. Hope everybody has stay safe and all them kind of flex there, you know what I mean? Because we living in a mad time right now and we can't really do nothing about it but just go and be strong and just continue to do what we are doing. You see me I say? And that is it. You know what I mean? You know Kiprich? You know how it is Kiprich? Over here saying live, you know? Yeah, Kipo. But yeah, the place nice man. As you know, can hear, no noise in the morning, very relaxed. The fall them a crow, is it. That's the thing there. So just take a look at stroll around the place. And thing, you know what I mean? I just want on a journey. Yeah man, we have all the activities planned and all them kind of thing there. And we don't know the thing set. You know what I mean? So, you don't know, so we have to bring it up on a journey, you see me? And I don't know the things that already. Look on them cane over there, so that's a cane field. That's a banana. You see it? Yeah, that's a cane field. I don't know, mangoes galore. We even have mango in our yard already. And I don't know the things set with that. Go on now. Siege Boss, man, I live in life. Watch your man. Yeah, me and Siege. Man, took her. CJ, come. Retro Station, walk on. As you can see, eh? As you can see, we're up on the beachfront, we're up on the beach side. Right here in Elsha Beach, you see me? It's been a while, it's been a long while, it's been a very, very long while. You see it? Yeah, January. Muffin and seat passed over this change. And you know it's time we're going to swim and thing. So, we're going to kick back, eat some food. Easy. You see me? Get some nice drone shots. And just enjoy the day, you see? Yeah man, we have a local spot right there, so pool out right now, January. And it's my thing, fam.
Oh, it's nice out here.
See it? Just wake up, so you mean I'm on our world still, you see me? I don't know, as me say. Muffin in the building, looking cute as always. Oh my god, oh my god. But yeah, just so they are easy right now, you know what I mean? As we say, we just have to swim a little bit and then order some food, kick back easy, relax, you see? And just have a nice time from this, you know what I mean? Yeah, what we are going to do now, we just put the GoPro in the waterproof thing and just try and get some nice shots, you see me? So, yeah man, I don't set up that right now. Go on, babe. That move like your feet. Go on. Go on, no? Go on. Go on. DJ. Water cool, that's why. Yes, people.
Okay.
The red thing, red
Yeah.
card, you know? Red light.
Hey guys! Say hello! He's a bit shy of the settings. I'm not much of a swimmer, but I get my feet wet in this anyway. We are here and it's very hot and the water is very nice, so it goes well together. Yeah, we're just enjoying the setting. About to eat some lobster and fish after, so stay tuned for that.
Hey,
Gonna play?
So, Virtuous family, you don't know, and that was the ending of the day too. That was the ending of an amazing day, you know what I mean? Big up on a nice clean self, people don't know the thing said, yeah. Elsha Beach, it was a vibe, was a crazy vibe, you know what I mean? Really full jar myself to the fullest, you know what I mean? Muffin full jar ourselves, so the teach I don't know anything said. But yeah man, that was it still, you know what I mean? You don't know, stay tuned, you have a whole lot more on the cards. Big up on a nice clean self people, and you don't know the thing said, the Virtuous man. I'm gonna sign out, is it? I'm out. So we're going Virtuous Nation, you don't know the Virtuous man there again, you know what I mean? Muffin, the school over. I don't know when I building, you know what I mean? I don't know, seat box in our building and I'm Kente. Muffin in our building looking good as always, you see me I say. And right now we are at the Bob Marley Museum, you see me. And you know what I mean, certain parts we couldn't really vlog because copyright all kind of things. But we're just about to go in now and I don't think you can vlog in there. So we just want to do a quick little intro. If we can get little snaps, we get little snaps. If not, it's just gonna be a picture, you see me. That's the most we can do right now. So in the meantime, we're just journey people, you see it. Oh. Yeah, somebody has something to say. Virtuous Nation, you don't know, we literally just finished the Bob Marley Museum tour. Was mad, was lit. Enjoy myself. Sweet Boss today and I'm Kente. Muffin, what do you think about it? Did you have a good time?
It was wicked.
Alright, you don't know, Muffin says she enjoy herself.
And it's the anniversary of his death today.
And
Can you
we
imagine?
never even
didn't
know.
even know.
And then we just automatically book it on the day when him did die. So, you know what I mean? That make it even look more better, you know what I mean? Don't know we are big fan of Bob Marley already, you see it? But that's how it goes anyway. I just take some pictures and some videos just at the front of the place and all kind of things to show you what I'm going. You see it?
You named them,
Oh,
babe.
so you have King Selassie, Bob Marley,
Yeah.
Ziggy,
Yeah.
Steve, Ron Blake, Julian, Kimani, Damian, and I don't remember the other one. What the other one?
I don't know. In the comments section below.
And then,
I don't know.
what
But
did
the
you
names
go
are
to
there.
the comment section?
The names are written.
Oh, that's Robbie.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Robbie. So this are the great man house. You know what I mean? Yes, so them say be a madness going down. You know, then try to assassinate man and all kind of thing. This is the plaque that make it historical. Yeah, it's a National Heritage Trust. So this house is now protected by heritage, you know what I mean? And it really accomplished a whole heap of things to Muffin. You know that? No man, it accomplished a whole heap of things. We want a big Bob Marley portrait. You want to take a picture there?
Yeah.
Go on. This is mad. So over yesterday, I used to play ball, babe. Yeah, people say I don't know, that was the Bob Marley Museum tour. It was wicked. Literally, when I can see the museum sign over there, so we just wait for this tour go on now to take you through the day. So about to go have something to go eat, kick back and relax, and then go from there, you see me? But it was good still, we really enjoyed the whole estate. You don't know how the man used to stay there, and you know what I mean? It's in places, it's heritage. It's nice, it was nice, it was a good vibe. You know what I mean? As I said, Muffin, you enjoy yourself? Huh?
Say again?
You enjoy yourself?
I really did. And it's crazy, it's the anniversary of his death.
And we never even know people.
Pick the state to go on this tour, so it's kind of crazy.
You see me? Anyway, yeah, we just have a grab scene for go eat. And so we journey back to Ludon.
Here we go.
So yeah, people, right now, literally, we're just coming at TGI's. Right now, we just bought for order, so we don't match up that right now and just kick back, have a nice little lunch, and then just get carried on with the day. You don't know, we might even go Devon House as well, just go get some ice cream. I think. We'll go back to for this, so we don't link the back. Just finished, come out at Devon House, you don't know, Muffin is there. What you having, Muffin?
Cookies and cream. A single scoop, by the way. This is supposed to be single scoops. My face is melted off already. Please.
No worry about that. Sorry, I know about the ice cream. Literally, I mean, to get some coconut for yourself. You don't know, Sweet Boss is here. You know what I mean? Sweet Boss, they bought. Oh, I like it now. Before, you never like it, see. You know? But yeah, we just stay out going easy. We're still in our Devon House anyway. So just do consume this and then head back in our liquor. Anyway, on the journey, look at everything I lean.